a table. Then we are moving with the second statement or command called as alter. Alter statement or alter command. This command is used to modify the table. Alter command is used to modify or make changes into the table. The table can be modified or changed by using alter command. Alter command can be used to modify the table. Then how to modify? For that, follow the syntax. That is syntax. This contains three different keywords. That's why three syntax we are using here. Modification can be done in three ways. That is, first, you may go with add or modify or drop. This is the part of alter command. Three different syntax can be used. Depends on context. That is, first one, alter table, table name, then a keyword add, open parenthesis, column name 1, data type, comma, column name 2, data type, dash, 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 ending with a closing parenthesis and semicolon. This is one. It means alter table can be used to add some of the new columns for the existing table by using this command. Right? ಈ alter table ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? one keyword add ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ alter command by using add keyword. Suppose we don't want to add, we can perform modification, means we can go with second syntax, that is alter table, table name, modify. It means we want to make changes for that. Column name 1, date type, comma, column name 2, date type, dash, 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 close the parenthesis, semicolon. It means already we have a particular column in the table. Example name is there. Example name is there. Name of the student. For that we have given the size of that column as only 10 characters. Later we are observing that 10 characters are not sufficient to write the name of the students. Then we can go with the second syntax of alter by using, that is modify. You can use modify option to make changes for the existing column in a table by using this syntax. Third syntax is alter table, table name. In all these three syntax, alter table is a keyword and add, modify, even drop are the keywords. Remaining are optional. Table name, user defined name, that is, then column names, user defined column names and data types. Right? So alter table, table name, drop. Drop is another keyword used with alter, column name 1, space, data type, comma, column name 2, space, data type, dash, 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 close the parenthesis, ending with semicolon. If you want to remove some of the columns from the existing table, then you can go with the third option called as drop. It means alter statement or alter command is used to modify or make changes into the existing table, either by adding some columns to the existing table, or by making changes to the existing table columns, or the unwanted columns can be removed from the existing table. All these can be done with the help of alter statement. We'll go with example then. How to write this command. Example, if you are observing here, the leftmost, what I'm showing it to you here, that is SQL, then greater than sign is there. This is called as SQL prompt. In computer directly you'll get it. When you enter into the SQL software, Oracle software called SQL, then automatically you'll get this particular prompt. In front of this only you can write any commands. Without SQL prompt, you cannot write any commands. They are not valid. Even though if you write, then they are invalid. It means the commands in SQL can be written in front of SQL prompt. SQL greater than symbol is called as SQL prompt. And from this, we are writing an example here. So what example we are writing is alter. First example, alter table. This is syntax. There is a keyword. Then student is name of the table. Then we want to add some of the column for the student table. That's why we are using one more keyword called as add. What we are adding? One column is missing in that particular student called as address. That we are adding it here. That is address. Its data type is variable character 2 of 30. Ending with closing parenthesis semicolon. When you press enter after this, you will get table altered. Then again you will get SQL prompt. If you are getting this message, table altered means this particular command what you have given, that is successfully completed. Sometimes what happens, if you make some mistakes while typing this particular command, then you will not get this message. Table altered message you will not get. You will get error message with SQL command, SQL prompt. Is it clear? Line by line here. When you make mistakes in this particular command, immediately after pressing the enter key, you will get the error messages. If it is error free, then only you will get, after execution of this particular example, you will get table altered means your command is correct. You have made changes into that. Then second, if you want to make changes for the existing columns, example, just now you have added one column address of size 30. Now we come to know that 30 is not enough. We need some more characters. Then you can modify that by using this command, that is alter table student, alter table student. Then the keyword what we are using is modify. If you want to make changes into that, modify. What we are modifying? The name of the column is address space. Date type is variable character 2 only, but size we are changing here. Instead of 30 in the first command what we have mentioned, now I don't want 30. I am making that as a 40 characters. After pressing enter again, you'll get the same result. This is just like your confirmation. Table altered. It means whatever the command you entered is correctly worked. It is error free. Then we are seeing that why we want address. What if we know the register number of the student, name of the student? We don't want address. Then you can remove that from the table by using one more option called as drop. That is shown here. SQL prompt is there. Then we are typing alter table student drop address ending with semicolon. Again, we are getting table altered. It means when you execute these three lines with any of the student table, then you will get again original table only after completion of these three, because one column we have added in this first example, then we have modified that. Lastly, we have removed that column itself. In this example, alter table is the keyword, drop is also a keyword, student is name of the table, address are column names. The above example, variable character is data type, 40 and 30 are the sizes. Is there any doubt up to here today in the today's class?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So today what all things we have learned? We have started with the operators used in SQL. That is arithmetic operators, plus, minus, asterisk, slash, mod, comparison operators, all the relational operators we have used. Then logical operators, some are new. That is in, between, exist, like, unique. These are the new things for you. After knowing these operators, You started with the command, the important command called as create table command. This is one of the important command. Without this, you cannot do anything in database. So create table command you learned. So create table command is used to create a new table. This contains name of the table, column names, date types, and sizes. Right? Then after that, we have seen the syntax of create table, that is create table, table name, open parenthesis, column name 1, data type, comma, column name 2, data type, comma, dash, dash, dash. Instead of writing this row wise, you can write in a single line also. Continuously also you can write this command. Create table, table name, open parenthesis, then column name 1, data type, comma, like that. In a continuously you can write that also. No need to write row by row. Right? It is allowed. Then ending with semicolon. In this case, create table is a keyword, table name is a user-defined name, table name, then column names are user-defined names, data types are the data types used in SQL, along with the size you can write, ending with a semicolon. But what you learned in this syntax